With them say, anybody will rob can kill, or there's no murderers, so they're no different. I don't remember how that saying goes, but this right here is something that you guys have to hear about. Welcome to Brains and the Beat. Hi everybody. If you're new, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back to your girl. So it says senior swindle. The police have launched an island-wide search for a 61-year-old who is believed to be behind a number of fraudulent schemes targeting other senior citizens across the island. The police said based on investigation so far, they have found that the woman is from Sierra Leone in Africa and goes around claiming that she is a returning resident and a lawyer from England. Wow. The police said in the latest attack against seniors, the woman went to Pembroke Hall in St. Andrew, where she rented a furnished room on a house from the 67-year-old owner of the home. Reports are that when the homeowner left the dwelling, the woman had all the furniture removed from the house and disappeared in the process. Mind you, this is a 61-year-old woman. They normally say you get wiser and more mature with age, but I guess that little portion slipped her by. When the homeowner made the contact with Loop News on Sunday, he broke down in tears while speaking of his predicament. The senior citizens, who asked that his identity not be revealed, said the development has left him suffering from stress. My blood pressure raised. I don't know what I am going to do. All of my life earnings gone, said Pembroke Hall resident. The elderly man also cited the possibility that the woman may be working with a criminal network that could later target him based on his response to the development. And quite honestly, this right here is crazy, because normally we see younger people robbing, taking advantage of senior citizens, but to see another senior citizen doing the same thing to somebody that's the same age group is crazy to me, because I feel like when you're at a certain age group, you can relate to people. People can relate to you. So for example, I'm 65, and somebody else is 65. We're probably going through the same things and we can relate to each other. So for this woman to be going around like stealing people's stuff, and elderly people are so vulnerable, like they are vulnerable, very, very vulnerable, and they are the one getting the brute end of the force, especially now in Jamaica and where crime is concerned. One thing to note that is, in Jamaica, people take pride, especially at an age like 65, they take pride in their furniture, because a lot of Jamaican people's furniture are custom built, carved out of trees and meticulously done. So, and they probably pay a lot of money for it to be like that. So to have all your furniture just gone like that, I can imagine how devastated he is. And I hope the Jamaican authorities actually take this very seriously and find this African woman that is robbing other elderly people in Jamaica, because it's not okay. What are your thoughts on this? It's funny to me because not only are Jamaican criminals or people of Jamaican descent targeting older people, but also other people from other countries are coming into Jamaica and preying up on Jamaicans. I don't know what, I guess Jamaicans are easy target, or is it because our country accept any and everyone? Is it because Jamaican people are so friendly or so nice? try to make everybody feel at home? Is that something that we need to take away? We're not as a big of a target, especially where senior citizens are concerned. What are your thoughts on these specific questions that I just asked? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.